Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now this is one I've been waiting to talk about because Direct Connection has just brought back two iconic Hemi crate engines, the Hellifant A30 and the 354 Supercharged Drag Pack Hemi. Now both are officially returning at the 2025 SEMA show in Las Vegas, and this time they're stronger, more refined, and built for today's performance crowd. So let's start with the big one, the Hellifant A30 426 Supercharged Crate Hemi. Now, when this engine first debuted back in 2018, it instantly became a legend in the Mopar world, making a clean 1,000 horsepower straight from the factory. Now for 2025, it's back with a completely updated design and a list of upgrades aimed at improving strength, efficiency, and durability. It still delivers that same 1,000 horsepower and 950 pound-feet of torque, but everything has been taken up a notch. It now features a new Gen 3 aluminum Hemi block with 6-bolt main caps for added rigidity. Now, CNC torque plate honed cylinders for precision, as well as an all-new 4340 forged steel crankshaft with gun-drilled mains and lightened rod journals. The connecting rods are high-strength forged H-beams with ARP 2000 bolts, and it's topped off with an upgraded IHI 3-liter twin-screw supercharger. Now you also get a new supercharger belt tensioner, Injector Dynamics 1050 fuel injectors, and a 92mm throttle body to help it breathe easier. Inside there are Moly-forged aluminum pistons, 356 aluminum Hemi heads, and a high-performance hydraulic roller camshaft. It all comes together for 426 cubic inches of displacement, a 9.5 to 1 compression ratio, and a 6,800 RPM redline. The Hellifant A30 is priced at $34,995 and can be installed at any race-only or pre-1976 vehicle using Direct Connection's plug-and-play engine kit, which now includes an updated calibration to maximize performance. Now let's move on to the other half of the announcement, the return of the 354 Supercharged Drag Pack Hemi. Now this one is a direct descendant of Dodge's NHRA factory stock Showdown championship program and is the same power plant that is used in the new 2026 Dodge Charger Hustle Stuff Drag Pack race car. The 5.8-liter 354 cubic inch Hemi has been completely reworked with a new Gen 3 aluminum block, billet 8 counterweight crankshaft machined from 4330V Temkin steel, and high-strength forged H-beam rods with ARP L19 fasteners. It uses diamond-forged aluminum pistons designed for high-boost racing, and up top, it's paired with a Whipple 3-liter twin-screw supercharger and a 109mm billet aluminum throttle body. Additional highlights include billet timing gears, a jostle valve train, pack racing dual valve springs, an SFI approved ATI damper, and American Racing stainless headers with merge collectors. It's finished off with a Moroso built aluminum oil pan and integrated sensors for cam and crank position, as well as oil pressure and manifold temperature. The Drag Pack Hemi is rated for VP C16 race fuel and uses Shell Rotella T6 5W40 oil and is priced at $63,995. Now this engine is built to order, so it has an estimated delivery time of 4 to 6 weeks. Now Direct Connection also offers an ECU kit and an electrical and fuel kit, both sold separately for plug-and-play installation. Orders for both the Hellifant A30 and the Drag Pack Hemi open tomorrow, November 4th, at the SEMA show in Las Vegas, and attendees can actually place their orders directly with Direct Connection at the Direct Connection section of the Mopar display. For those who aren't going, there will be more information and full specs available at dcperformance.com. Now, both of these engines are part of Direct Connection's refreshed lineup under the reestablished Street and Racing Technology, or SRT Performance division, the same group that's now responsible for SRT vehicles, Direct Connection performance parts, and motorsports programs, including Dodge's NHRA operations and Ram's upcoming return to the NASCAR Craftsman Truck Series in 2026. So the full list of part numbers for these crate engines and installation kits can be found on my full article on moparinsiders.com. There's a link in the video's description below. So tell me in the comments below, what do you think of these Hemi icons returning to the crate engine lineup? Make sure to hit like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.